In front of me is a ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold power button and volume up, and from the boot options select power off. When the device turns off, again hold the same two buttons, power button and volume up, at the same time, and let go of the power button once you see the Nubia logo. Now, in the recovery mode, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down. So I'm going to start pressing volume down to select, enter Fastboot. Once it's selected, confirm it with the power button. And there we go. This is our Fastboot mode. Now, again, you can navigate in here using volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And we have options like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Enter recovery mode, which brings us to the previous page. Reboot to bootloader, which will take us to Fastboot mode as well. And power off. So anyway, I'm going to stick with the first one, confirm it, and this will now put the device back into Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.